On my first two missions, they were part of a program that NASA had called Mission to Planet Earth, and these two were specifically looking at our atmosphere and the problem of the ozone hole and ozone depletion. So we had a number of scientific instruments in the payload bay that we were either operating or helping to monitor that were measuring different kinds of constituents in the atmosphere and also measuring the amount of radiation that we receive from the sun in different wavelengths, and particularly in the ultraviolet region, because it's energy in the ultraviolet region that provides the energy for the chemical reactions that both create and destroy ozone. And the idea at the time was to fly once a year for 11 years, which is how long a solar cycle is, and to try to correlate changes in the amount of radiation to changes in the atmosphere, trying to answer the question of how much of the problems that we're seeing of the ozone hole are due to man-made activities and how much are due to natural variations coming from the sun. Now, the program only ended up doing 3 of those flights, not the full 11 because of changes in funding. But we were able to capture a lot of really precise data during those 3 flights. And we were able to use the instruments that we took up, which were calibrated right before launch, and use them to sort of recalibrate measurements that were coming from satellites that were continuously monitoring some of the same constituents over a much longer period of time. And it made the data coming from those instruments much more valuable, and so allowed really the benefits of our flights to last for much longer time than just the time that we were in orbit.